In today's world, ensuring a reliable source of power while on the go has become increasingly important. The portable power station 296WH backup battery 300W solar generator presents itself as a versatile solution designed to meet various energy needs when traditional power sources are unavailable. This power station is equipped with a 296WH lithium battery, which provides ample energy for a range of devices, from small electronics to larger appliances. The generator features a continuous output of 300W, allowing users to run devices such as laptops, small refrigerators, and lights simultaneously. This adaptability makes it suitable for camping trips, outdoor events, or even as a backup during power outages. One notable aspect of this power station is its multiple output options. It includes several AC outlets, USB ports, and a DC output, making it easy to charge or power multiple devices at once. This diversity is particularly beneficial for families or groups who may have various electronic devices needing power at the same time. The power station can also be charged using solar panels, which can be a great advantage for those who enjoy off-grid living or extended outdoor adventures. By harnessing sunlight, users can recharge the unit during the day, extending their access to power without relying on traditional electricity sources. This feature aligns well with the growing trend towards sustainable energy solutions. When it comes to usage, the portable power station is designed with user-friendliness in mind. It is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport. Additionally, the built-in LED display provides clear information about battery levels and output, allowing users to monitor their power consumption effectively. In practical terms, this power station can be an essential asset for various scenarios. Whether you are embarking on a weekend camping trip, hosting an outdoor gathering, or simply looking for a reliable backup power source at home, it offers flexibility and convenience. In conclusion, the portable power station 296WH backup battery 300W solar generator serves as a multifunctional device that caters to diverse power needs. With its range of output options, solar charging capability, and portable design, it presents itself as a thoughtful solution for those seeking to maintain access to electricity in a variety of settings.